She ain't funny.
She
ain't funny. Okay, we are going to do something a little bit different. I am going to go, we are going to clean out this refrigerator.
She's going to clean out this refrigerator.
I'm going to take everything out. We're going to see what we have that needs to be used up and get it used up this week. So, and then at the end of cleaning all of this, we're going to do a menu plan based off of what we already have and what already needs to be used up. So, let's do this. Everything on the door I'm just going to leave. That's fine. Actually, that could probably go out. Okay.
I can't see the door that much anyway.
That's okay. So, we're just going to leave that alone. Now, we're going to clean out the refrigerator. Like, we're going to wash it down because it's bad. Okay, so this is just a quick overview of everything that we took out. I am going to slowly put stuff back in that I know we're keeping. Okay, hang tight, y'all. We got more. Oh, we got more over here too. Oh, just the eggs. Okay, hang tight. Alright. She's so funny. I'm trying to think. So I know we're keeping the onions. I'm going to keep the onions. I don't know yet, honey.
Okay, I will get out of the way.
I'm just trying to think.
And then we're throwing this away.
We're throwing what away?
It's going in the trash.
We are keeping my pickles, man.
We're keeping this. This is going in the trash.
Keeping my pickles.
You gotta keep.
Yep.
And trash.
Spinach. It's keeping. I'm gonna put my eggs right there. Come on, don't. My tomato.
Got some cheese for you.
Okay.
There we go.
The cheeses.
Oh, and this cheese.
Okay. And then, oh yeah. My gorgonzola. Your Gouda.
Here's the meats.
2-inch meats.
Oh, and a little cubed ham, boys.
Yep, that's for my salads.
Got some sour cream. I'm not sure if this is still good.
It is.
Okay.
Sour cream.
Got a
Cucumber.
looks kind of shriveled up, but it's okay. And here's some
Mushrooms.
Got some spicy boys.
Oh, radishes. Oh,
And
nope.
I don't even know
I
what
almost
that
broke
is.
my fast. We're not doing that. What is this?
No idea.
Oh, those are bell peppers. Oh, I need to use those.
And half a toot.
Yep, that one I just freshly cut.
And nasty thing.
Oh, my tortillas.
Tasty. Ah, okay, that wasn't closed all the way. Ow.
Nope. At least you didn't drop them.
No, but I instinctively caught them with, you know, my dominant.
Oh, you're not gonna die. You're fine.
Oh, but it really hurt.
Honey, I'm not saying that it doesn't hurt, but damn. Okay, lettuce. This bag I use for my lettuce wraps, and this one I'm trying to go through and just use for salads, and they are actually really good. They're still good.
And here's some fuzzy death balls.
Okay, hold on one second, baby.
Fuzzy death balls.
Okay. 11 grams of carbs per kiwi.
Do you know how long?
That sucks, and she's allergic to them.
Do you know how long you've had this in the fridge?
What is it, baby?
It's a single pudding cup.
Oh my way into that.
And this is it's just one. Those can go because that was a disaster.
We've got a garbage can right here. Milk.
Yeah, those attempts at homemade toaster strudels didn't end well.
Come on.
Oh.
Okay, my cantaloupe. My cantaloupe.
Spaghetti.
Is that what that is?
Spaghetti.
That's the stuff that you made? It was a great attempt at spaghetti.
I tried. I really tried, but it
Okay,
was not good.
that is a meal though. Somebody's going to eat that.
Not it. The other means what EU has to.
Well, I can't. It's got regular spaghetti noodles and Daddy won't eat it.
Not.
God, that sucks. Put it in the dishwasher.
I mean, so did the sauce. I tried, but that was bad. You said the dishwasher.
Okay. And then my eggs.
The eggy boys.
Now, the reason I have so many eggs that I buy them that way is because I cook from scratch.
Also, I baked
So-
a lot.
And Caitlin does a lot of baking. So we use one of those probably in about 2 weeks. So I'll get 2 of those a month. At least.
Except for the toaster strudels. We're never talking about those again.
Okay, so is that everything?
Yeah, looks like it. Oh, my yogurt.
Okay.
That was only in
Yeah.
there for like less than a week.
Okay, and her yogurt.
Mom.
Well, I didn't know.
Yeah,
All right.
that and it. I mean, it's
So, wow, that looks so much better, you guys.
It does.
I should have shown you a before and after. Sorry, next time.
You should have. Yeah, on the top shelf we've got things that I can eat. On the middle shelf there's something that will kill me, and then the bottom I just...
It won't
Eggs.
kill you.
How do we know that?
You just have a mild reaction.
Yeah, a mild
Jeez.
reaction where my tongue feels like it's fuzzy, and then all of a sudden
Oh, suck it up, baby.
Uh-huh.
All right, so we're gonna move over back into the kitchen area when we do our meal plan. While we're here, let's go ahead and do the freezer too, because wow. All right, let's do that. And I'm gonna put you. What's going on?
I have no idea anymore.
All right, so let's just start. So now we gotta come over here. Oops, I forgot something. What's that? Oh, that's more cauliflower. More cauliflower. Rice cauliflower. I'm gonna put that on the door up here. Okay, so now, do you have a pen, Kate?
Do I have a pen?
Can I borrow a pen, Caitlin?
Yes.
Caitlin.
Here. Take my beautiful pen.
Okay. So now, so maybe I will show you guys how I do my low carb tortilla chips. The low carb tortilla chips, take the low carb tortilla and cut it like a pizza, so you'd have the little triangles.
Oh.
Brush it with some olive oil and put on whatever seasoning you want. Bake it in the oven.
Have you done that before? I don't think you've done that before.
I have, but it's been a really long time.
There's no
Let's see. Because we have the meat, the cheese, the sauce, the vegetables. So we can do all that. We have... I do need avocados, though. Do we have stuff for a spaghetti dinner? Spaghetti sauce, spaghetti noodles, meat. Oh, yeah, we could do a chicken fettuccine.
Yes.
Okay, because we got pretty much everything for that.
Live up for that.
Okay. And then, trying to think. We got onions. We're doing a stir fry already. Because I gotta use up those vegetables. No, we'll do yeah, that'll use up the, because I could just do a salad. That'll use up the vegetables tonight if we do it like a taco thing. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Meatloaf. I've been telling Daddy I was gonna make a meatloaf. So I need to get some potatoes, but everything else we have. And I can use up some of that cauliflower mash, or the rice cauliflower, and make a cauliflower mash for myself. So we'll do that.
Ooh, same.
Because that way I can do my overnight oats.
I just like oats.
Trying to think, what else can we do for dinners? A meat, whatever meat you guys want, meat and cheese wrap. And then we can pair it with like some fruit or something so we can get through that fruit. I can get that cauliflower pizza, that stuff is good.
And actually,
Okay, we'll do a pizza night.
when a grocery outlet has a cauliflower crust that you can buy, and then you can make your own pizza.
That would be good. That would be probably a lot easier.
Yeah, we could do a little make our own pizza night.
You want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay. Then maybe we'll go to grocery outlet.
Yeah. Go do shopping there.
Okay. Then that's what we got, you guys. So now I just need to come up with a list of things that I don't have, which is going to be very short because a lot of it, again, we're trying to use what's in the refrigerator. So that does it for this section. I will see you guys in a little bit when I get back from the grocery. All right, y'all, we are back. Okay, we got some oatmeal because I want to use up those blueberries. So I do overnight oats. That is not strict keto. That's what is dirty keto, but it's also heart healthy. I was trying to look for rubbing alcohol because that's what I use for my menu board. Someone said try these. It doesn't work. So I'm just going to put these in the car, and they're just antiseptic wipes. So that's fine. Those will just go in the car. So Caitlin told me about these. And it's the cauliflower crust. I was thinking she meant like a big crust, like a regular size. There are 4 small ones in here. So when we do make your own pizza night, I'll just use 2 of them, which is fine because this is good portion control. This was only $2. So that's okay. That's good. And y'all, oh my gosh, I could not believe Grocery Outlet had these 2 items. I get pancakes and maple syrup. Oh my God. Which I still haven't broken my fast yet, so I'm going to make this and I'm going to show you guys. I did get some pork rinds. I knew that. Woo, Lord have mercy. And I just took out some, let me show you guys. I just took out some of these already chopped avocado bits. They're frozen, so I just take them out and put them on a napkin. I'm going to make my own avocado hummus to pair with that. And I do already have, I have several cans of the garbanzo beans. So if y'all want to know how I do that, just let me know. And I can show you. But I love avocado hummus. We got some avocados. They were on sale, 4 for $5. We got pepperoni for Jeremy to use on his pizzas. I got, these are itty bitty. They're so tiny, you guys. I got 2 of them to make zoodles for when we do fettuccine, chicken fettuccine alfredo. This is for pizzas, but it's also for some of my, I'll think of it in just a second. The egg and cheese little waffle thingies. God dang it. The cheesy waffle things. And as soon as I hit the button, I'll think of it. Anyways, that's okay. We got this for Jeremy and Caitlin. This is what they're going to use for their pizza. I could not find the pizza crust, the regular pizza crust. So this is what they're going to do. Chaffle. See? Told you. I'm going to use some of that for my chaffle. And then, I don't know why Jeremy got this big, huge bag. We're never going to use all of this. But that's fine. I think we're doing, oh yeah, meatloaf and mashed potatoes. So I'll do a couple of those potatoes. That was it. That's all we got. These 2 items were what drove up the price. This was $6. Actually, I think they were both $6. But that's really good. The fact that they even had this stuff at Grocery Outlet, I'm shocked. This is an actual pancake / waffle mix. And all it takes is an egg, some water, and some oil. And then maple syrup. Jiminy Christmas. 0 sugar, 1 net carb. And then a pancake is 6 net carbs, 0 sugar. Oh, so excited, so excited. Okay, let me grab the menu board and show you what we did. So tonight we are going to have the tater tot casserole. I have a couple of the, I have a couple of the broccoli tots, and then I'll do up some low-carb tortilla chips. And then tomorrow we will do a stir fry because Caitlin's going to be at work. She doesn't like it. And then we'll do a meatloaf, mashed potato, and cauliflower, or broccoli. And then I will do a cauli mash. And then we have the chicken fettuccine alfredo. And that's where my zucchinis will come in. I will do a zucchini noodle. And we'll do a salad. And then we have salad bar on Thursday. Friday is the make your own pizza. Next Saturday will be the meat and cheese wraps, and then whatever fruit is left. So that is what that looks like. Alright, you guys, I just opened her up. Oh yeah, she is perfect. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to put that right there. I'm going to work on one fried egg and then doing up some ham, and then we'll be right back and we'll put everything together. Okay, you guys, here is the next one. Looks just as good as the last one. And these are actually, usually when I make a chaffle, they're really flimsy. These are not. Those are nice. I can't wait to try it. All right, I'm going to keep making these because I think I can get 2 more and then I just made up this gorgeousness. It's just one egg that I just, broke the egg and whipped it and just let it cook evenly flat, and then put a couple pieces of a ham and then folded it in half and then folded it in half again. But what we're going to do, we're going to take some of this maple syrup. I'm going to pour a little bit onto this brush, just a little bit. Actually, you know what? Let me shake it up. I don't know if you're supposed to or not, but we're going to shake it up just a little bit. Okay. I'm just going to take a little tiny bit onto this because I don't want to soak it. But this is going to give us that like sweet and savory kind of thing. Just like that. Okay. I'm going to do both sides. Okay, then I'm going to put this guy right on top. Grab a piece of cheese. Does that look good or what? Look at that. Okay, come on up here. Let's get some better lighting so y'all can see me. And if you break the yolk, that way it doesn't run all over the place. So. Oh my God. That is so good. I think it does need to be, the batter does need to be thinned out a bit. That is your bonus round. And until next time, see y'all later. Bye.